Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how a user can reset their password if they have forgotten their password. Okay. For any user, as a master admin, okay, if a user comes to you and tells you that they have forgotten their password and they need help resetting it, a master admin has a function over in the user management page called the reset password function. Otherwise, as a user themselves, they can simply self-service on the portal login page. So if a user has forgotten their password, they can simply click on this reset password link. By clicking on this, it will bring them to a page requesting for the user to reset a password by entering the email address. By doing so, an email will be sent to their email account with the instructions and a link to reset their account. So to do so, let me show you what the email looks like. Okay, so this 1 May is the account that I have requested for the reset of password. And over here, Equinix has sent them the reset password link. For a user, you can simply click this link and it will redirect them to start the reset password process. They will have to enter their username, and answer the security questions that they have answered before while they are creating their user profile. And with this, they can choose a new password. By clicking reset password, their password has been successfully reset, and they can now simply log in to any of the ECP portals. Now, to show you, there is also one other process, which is to reset the user's username. To do so, I will navigate back to UATD. And from here, there is a second link, which is to retrieve the user's username. By clicking here, it will once again redirect the user to enter their email address. And then now they will receive an email with the instructions. So now for 1 May, I have received the forgot username email. And with this, it would simply tell me my username. And I can use this to now log in to ECP if I require to. So this is the process for a user on how they can reset their password or retrieve their username.